Hey there everyone, Mike here from Trillium Hikes with another basement studio edition of the channel. A couple of just quick announcements this time around. First off, 2026 hiking season has been more or less determined. So Rob and I will be continuing our day hiking of the Bruce Trail as he chips away at his own end of the Bruce Trail. And I'll be right there, right next to him, hiking alongside with him to help him reach that goal. Item number 2, Paul and I will be hitting Ireland actually in May. We'll be hiking the 120 kilometer Wicklow Way starting in Dublin, and that'll be about mid-month. And we have another outing in June, but I'm going to keep that under wraps for the time being for various reasons. Now, the other item on the agenda is this guy. And you might be asking, well, Mike, why do you have a box in your hands? It's like, well, I am very, very glad that you've asked me that. So inside this box is a never used 3F UL LanShan 1. And as you can see, brand new, never used. And I am putting on a giveaway for celebrating hitting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 5,000 followers on Instagram. So thank you so much everybody that has subscribed, followed, liked, commented. There's been a few individuals that have, really kind of pushed me along the way, and I thank you so much for that. And in celebration, this is being raffled off at the end of the month. So there's a couple of options to do this. There is a community post with a link to a King Sumo giveaway. That is the platform that we're going to be using. Same thing as we did last time. You can also visit our website at trilliumhikes.ca/giveaway, and you can enter there. Bare minimum is going to be your email address and your name, and there's going to be a number of options available to you to gain more entries. So at the very, very least, you're going to get some entries just by submitting it. You can also gain some entries for following us on Instagram and Facebook. You can also get some additional entries by watching the video and, of course, ensuring that you are subscribed to the YouTube channel. There's a few other options. We've recently developed the Buy Me a Coffee website for just supporting us in general, whether it's a one-time pledge monthly, and there's some other options there as well. So there's some great swag that we're offering up for sale as well. So a lot of options available to you to increase your chances of winning this bad boy here. A little bit about the tent. It is, again, a one-person double-walled tent. So the double wall, of course, will help with some condensation issues that some might argue that the single wall might, may not be the greatest with in terms of condensation, but it is very roomy. It's only 2.2 pounds or 1 kilo, so very lightweight. And as you can see, it's, fairly compact. So do subscribe, do like, hit that link below to enter the contest. Best of luck to everyone. And as always, folks, hope to see you out there on the trail.